This is a 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. Red over gray interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth for your cell phone, cruise control, navigation, satellite radio, push-button start, USB for your phone, automatic transmission. There's a look at the rear seat. Running boards, black aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera, lockable tailgate, bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 3.5 liter six-cylinder engine. So it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles in Mercedes-Benz Wesley Chapel, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.